Alright, what is going on, guys? Today we'll be unveiling my new wrap for my WRX, which I've already wrapped. Well, I guess without further ado, here it is. We have Nardo Gray right here. You gotta keep in mind, this black is the base, or the car's color. It's that midnight pearl blue or midnight pearl black. We just have some basic white, Nardo gray, some grabberish blue. I try to find World Rally blue, but all I can find, closest thing I can find, is this grabber blue or bright blue, and then a metallic, dark metallic gray, and of course carbon fiber on the hood, which I messed up quite a bit. Not too proud of that. I'm not a professional at wrapping or anything. I'm not even halfway good. I'm just barely able to wrap. So, but I think it turned out pretty good. We still got to get the roof and trunk. But yeah, this is the wrap for the WRX. As you can see, there's a couple places I messed up, like right there. But everything else looks pretty good. Like, I've had very minimum mess ups. Even wrapped the seams really well. See, I think it turned out pretty good, even wrapped up here. And the whole reason for wrapping it was to cover up these sun damage spots and the clear coat peeling, which really the clear coat wasn't peeling, but on the passenger side, which you can actually see through the wrap. So yeah, so you can see the clear coat that peeled is peeling there all the way down. Yeah, all the way up to here. So it does show through the vinyl, but still it hides it a little bit better, or makes it a little bit better to look at. I still got to do the roof and the trunk, but we did do the hood and the whole rest of the car. Hood came out pretty good. This is 3M carbon fiber. It is not the gloss, it is just the matte carbon fiber. And it was really cold when I was wrapping, so the don't wrap in the cold, because this is exactly what'll happen. Got halfway through wrapping the whole hood. Well, I wrapped it the first time, it ripped. Kind of really made me mad. So luckily I had another sheet, so I started wrapping it again. This time we got really far. We got this whole section covered, almost halfway through the hood, and then it rips down here. It rips there and there. So I said forget it. I didn't have any more wrap on it at the time, so we went ahead and finished wrapping the car. And as you can see, I overheated or overstretched the film. This actually overheating the film, but yeah, not too bad. So yeah, we went ahead and wrapped the car, and then I just did an overlay. And as you can see, the seam is a pretty big eyesore, but there's no way around that, because we have to do an overlay, because the wrap under this overlay we wouldn't be able to put over, make it an inlay or whatever. So yeah, that's kind of where we're at on that. But I got more carbon in, so we can redo that hood and do the roof and the trunk. Keep in mind, this is not a show car. We're just trying to make the car look a little bit better. Not a super big fan of this black, but we utilize this black or blue, dark blue, into our wrap. So it made our wrap really cheap and really easy. Now keep in mind, I did have to cut out all these shapes by hand, and that was a monster, but it was definitely worth it. Definitely worth it. And all this wrap, minus the carbon fiber, all this camo was, I think we spent roughly just under $200. I think we spent 170, 180 bucks just to wrap this whole car, both sides, front and rear bumpers. That doesn't count the roof. I mean, yeah, the hood or the roof or the trunk or the wing. That just covers the side of the car, both sides of the cars, and front and rear bumper. So keep that in mind. The hood was another, I think, 30 bucks. I think I bought sections in 5 foot by 5 foot for the hood. 5 foot by 5 foot is perfect amount for this hood. It's actually really close. You actually probably need to go with 5 foot by 6 foot, because I kid you not, from side to side we had maybe that much overhang. So If you ever wondering about how much wrap it would take to cover your hood for a Subaru WRX, 2003 Subaru WRX, it'll take 5 foot by 5 foot. Probably need to go 5 foot by 5. I mean, 6 foot by 5 foot. Just to be on the safe side, give you a little extra material. And I don't know about the hood. I ordered a sheet of 5 foot by 6 foot for the hood. And the trunk shouldn't take too much because we do have the STI wing. I'm not wrapping the wing. We'll leave the wing black. I might even do a camo on it. I don't know. But yeah, we'll wrap this. We'll have to do 2 separate pieces because I do have the wing, and my wing will not come off because it's an janky eBay wing. It's really on there, and it'll be a pain to take it off. So if you have the OEM STI wing, you'll be in good shape. Just pop that wing off. You can wrap it in 1 piece, or yeah, you can probably wrap it in 1 piece. Might have to do it in 2 pieces. But I'm gonna do 2 pieces. I'm gonna do this section in 1 piece. Then we'll do in front of the wing, and this section right here we'll do in 1 piece, and then the hood roof we'll do in 1 piece. I will pull off these eBay Vortex generators. We'll pop them off. It's just a little double-sided tape. Plus, it's under this little I don't know, trim, weather stripping. So yeah, we'll pop that off, wrap the whole hood, and yeah, then it'll be good. Then I got to redo this. It looks good until you see the seam. The seam is just so ugly, and all this. But not too bad for, I think, my first full big wrap, but not the best either. So please smash that like button and subscribe if you aren't already subscribed, and I appreciate any and all feedback. Yeah, see you in the next video.